How to delete wallpapers on iOS 17. And to do that all you have to do is to go here to your settings area, just like this, and then you have to make sure that you have updated your phone to the latest version, the iOS 17, and to do that is go here to General, and go here to your software update. Click on that, and if you'll see an update now here saying iOS 17, tap on Update Now, and wait for it to be updated. Now, if you're already on iOS 17, to be able to delete your wallpaper if you go back here to your settings, you will see here your wallpaper right. This section here your wallpaper. Now, if you click on that, there's really no option for you to delete such wallpapers just like this right. Even though, if you select that, there's no option for you to delete that. Now, to successfully delete your wallpaper all you have to do is turn off your phone and go to your lock screen. Now, here in your lock screen, what you're gonna do is to long press your lock screen, and it will look like this, and it will give you all the options or all the wallpapers that you have created for the past years or months or weeks. So, as you can see here, all you have to do is choose a wallpaper that you want to delete. So let's say you want to delete this wallpaper, then what you're gonna do is to just simply swipe this up, and you will see the trash icon right. Or just simply swipe up here, and then click on the trash here, and then delete this wallpaper. Confirm to delete. And as you can see, it is now deleted. So let's do the same process again. Swipe up, and then tap on the trash icon here, and delete this wallpaper. And basically, that is how you delete your wallpapers in iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.